Hey guys, it's Kerry. I'm featuring butterflies, scorpions, salamanders, and some of my other favorite animals today. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Scorpions' most distinctive features are their pincer-like pedipalps and a stinging tail, which can move very quickly. Scorpions were around long before the first dinosaurs. Scorpions are arachnids like spiders, mites, and ticks. Today, the largest species of extant scorpion is Asia's giant forest scorpion, which grows to 23 centimeters in length. Scorpions perform a courtship ritual that resembles a dance. The dance varies in length. At the end of the dance, the male deposits his spermatophore on the ground for the female and then leaves. Scorpions are viviparous. They give birth to live young. Once born, they quickly clamber onto their mother's back for protection. Scorpions can glow under ultraviolet light. The fluorescent chemicals in their hyaline layer are part of the cuticle in their exoskeleton. This enables researchers to be able to find them quite easily. When they find food, they can only eat it in liquid form, so they use enzymes to digest their prey externally, then suck it into their tiny mouths. They can go long periods of time without eating. Their venom can include dozens of different toxins. All scorpions have venom, but the venom is diverse and complex. The death stalker of North Africa and the Middle East is often cited as one of the deadliest scorpion species on Earth, along with the Indian red scorpion and the Arabian fat-tailed scorpion. They can control whether and how much venom to release with a sting, and given the energy required from their bodies to produce such complex venom, they tend to be pretty conservative with it. They will often kill prey with their pincers if possible, resorting to venom only when necessary. Despite the potential dangers of scorpion venom, research has also revealed a lot of helpful compounds hiding in there. Chemicals in scorpion venom have already proven to be a source of medical biomimicry, and countless more are waiting to be discovered. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Monarch butterfly. They have slow motion clapping wings. The average butterfly flaps its wings around 20 times per second. The monarch butterfly flaps its wings around 5 to 12 times a second. Monarchs eat poisonous milkweed during their larval stage, which is stored in the body. This poison causes predators to vomit, although it rarely causes death. Their bright wings are a warning sign to deter hungry predators. In the US, they travel nearly 5,000 kilometers in their annual migration. Blue morpho butterfly. Their wingspan can be up to 18 centimeters. They have 2 clubbed antennas, 2 forewings, 2 hind wings, and 6 legs. Their wings are covered in iridescent blue while the underside of the wings are brown. Tortoiseshell butterfly. They lay their eggs on the common nettle on which their larvae feed. It is a medium-sized butterfly. Swallowtail butterfly. Their brightly coloured larvae feed on foliage. Black and yellow eye-like spots on the thorax of some larvae resemble the head of a snake. Many larvae have colour patterns that make them appear to be bird droppings. Clouded yellow butterfly. They are famous for occasional mass migrations and subsequent breeding, and they look like a large yellow cloud in the sky. Butterflies can taste with their feet. Hyacinth macaw. They are one of the largest parrots in the world, growing to 1 metre in length. They have a deep hyacinth blue body colour, black beaks, and yellow around their eyes and the lower part of their beak. Galah. They are one of Australia's favourite birds. You can see them almost in any part of Australia. They are seed eaters, so are often seen feeding on grass seeds on the ground, so they help with seed dispersal. They travel and roost in flocks of about 1,000 birds. It is an impressive sight, especially at dawn and sunset. Their bright pink breasts glow in the warm light. Galahs are monogamous. They make their nests in hollow parts of trees. In spring, it is not uncommon to see adult galahs entering or renovating hollows. Koolasuchus is an extinct primitive amphibian from the Cretaceous period 125 million years ago. It would have been a fearsome predator in its day, up to 3 metres long, with a huge jaw bristling with fangs and tusks. Imagine a newt or salamander crossed with a big saltwater croc, and you have a rough idea of what it looks like. By a salamander, it can protect itself against predators by spraying poisonous liquid from glands behind its eyes, right into the eyes or mouth of an animal it sees as a threat. Its skin also releases toxins as well. Red salamander, their projectile tongues can extend and return within milliseconds, and they possess toxic secreting glands to repel predators. When threatened, they curl their bodies into a C shape, wrapping their tails and hind limbs to protect their head. Green huntsmen. Their green colour makes them very difficult to be detected by predators. They do not build a web and hunt insects in green vegetation where they rely on their camouflage. Blue tarantula are a beautiful spider. They are extremely aggressive, and even the spiderlings have been known to attack. They don't have great eyesight, so react to the sensory movement of their hair legs. They live in burrows and are ambush hunters. Honeybee. They are super important pollinators for flowers, fruits and vegetables. Bees transfer pollen between the male and female parts, allowing plants to grow seeds and fruit. They live in hives or colonies. Golden Lion Tamarin. They are born fully furred and with their eyes open. they cling to their mothers for the first few weeks. All members of the group will carry and care for the infants, but the adult male usually does the largest share. Octopus. About 2/3 of an octopus's neurons are actually located in its arms. This means the arms can taste, touch, and even act on their own accord without input from the brain. Leafy Sea Dragon sucks up its prey using its long pipe-like snout and small mouth. Its favourite food is mysid shrimps or sea lice. It is only found in Australian sea waters and nowhere else in the world. Asian elephant. With reproduction, the female's urine contains a sex pheromone that increases before ovulation. The bulls sniff the female's genitals and urine, placing the trunk tip into their mouth. Prior to copulation, couples wrestle with intertwined trunks, bite each other's necks, and the male attempts mounting. Females in estrus prefer breeding with males in musth. The male mounts her from behind and copulation lasts about 30 seconds. An adult elephant has the largest penis of any land animal. It can reach a length of 1 metre. In most placental mammals, including humans, the testes descend into the lower abdomen or scrotum during development, which is an important evolutionary process that helps them cool and achieve optimal function. Elephant testes, however, do not drop, remaining high in the abdomen. Elephants do have some issues with mortality. The young calves are preyed upon by lions, hyenas, and tigers. Sometimes there can be complications during birth. If there's a drought, that impacts elephants. Accidental falls can lead to death. When musth is on and the bulls are fighting over females, often an elephant can get fatally wounded. Sometimes they can be killed by humans defending their crops or poaching. Mortality in bulls is much higher than in cows, mostly due to poaching and fighting. They may starve to death in old age when the last of their teeth fall out. Lion. They need to eat every day. They can go up to 4 days without drinking water. But males must eat about 7.2 kilograms of meat every day. Tiger. A large deer can provide a tiger with 1 week's food, but only 1 out of every 10 hunts is successful for the tiger. They pounce on their prey, taking it to the ground, and finish the kill by breaking or biting the neck. Jaguar have the 3rd strongest bite force of all big cats. Their powerful jaws and sharp teeth allow them to pierce the skulls of their prey, enabling them to eat larger and stronger animals than their size would suggest. These are some of my recent animals. I'll get them into a video soon. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read and reply to all of your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.